We have a beautiful 1970 Ford Mustang in that awesome white, black, and blue top. It is a convertible. 351 Windsor, but we'll get to the motor later. Paint's in great shape. It's probably a driver quality, but it's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum. It's very good paint. There's not really any dings or divots or rings, no bubbles that I've found. It really looks awesome. And the interior matches just as nice as the exterior, so let's go ahead and take a peek at that. All right, let's open her up. Really nice door jambs. A very close close. I mean, look at that. There's like no overlap. Great condition, no rust where the rust tends to be found. Top's in excellent shape too. I really want to highlight that. Really solid condition, as well as the back window. But let's take a in-depth peek on the inside. We have our 4 on the floor. We have some lovely mats. It really complements the blue with the black. Looks great. We have our vents. This is an aftermarket stereo. It looks like it's vintage, but you get all the goodies. It's aftermarket tack, and then our gauges. Beautiful car. I mean, look at the headliner is just in an impeccable condition. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the top's functionality, and we'll take it for a spin. All right, I got the other half unlatched, so we'll go ahead and unlatch this guy here. Nice and strong. Like, there's no problem at all, man. Fantastic. So that's it down. Let's bring her back towards us. Powering through like it's not a problem at all. And there we have it. Lock her up. Actually, I need 2 hands to do that, but as you see, it's functioning. It works great. Solid motor. Let's go take it for a spin now. All right, we're at the end of our shop's drive. Let's go ahead and crank her up. Before I do though, I think I said it's a 4 on the floor. It's actually a 5-speed, if you can see there. But let's crank her up. Nice and solid start in first gear, and let's go for a spin. This is a lot of fun to drive this car. That 351 really gives a lot of power to pick up. Shifts nice and smooth. We have power front disc brakes, helps you stop on a dime, as I just did there. I was going probably about 30. And so let's go take her back, put her on the lift, and see what we can see. I got the hood open here. You can see that there's quite a bit of work done to this bad boy. We got a dual carb. We got a different distributor, so you can also see different mounts down here. We have AC in the vehicle. We got head covers. I mean, it's really well done though. Very, very clean, very tidy. I don't really see any overspray. And I've searched the car pretty good, but it really is a pretty car, especially with that Edelbrock, man. You really get some extra power in that bad boy, especially with that 351 Windsor. It's a nice combo. It's very fun to drive. So take a peek. I'll go over a little slower so you guys can really drink it on in, and then we'll put her up in the air. All right, we have her up in the air now. And there's those front discs, really help to the overall drivability of this car. Front bumper, both chrome and the skirt looking good as well. Let's go further underneath the car here. So you can see no rust. Looking really nice. Got some numbers here. Actually, it's so clean you can see the serial number here. Very nice car. Floors are in great condition. We have our rear axle as well. More serial numbers for you guys. I know you guys love those. And then the dual tipped exhaust. And we have our rear as well. And I want to kind of give you guys a turtle look of the car. So we can see the quarters and the wheel wells are in great condition as well. And the undercarriage, the skirts on the sides, great conditions. Car's got nice lines, as you can see here. Nice and straight. I'll show the other side as well. Back bumper, good condition. Chrome's fantastic, no pitting. Looks really nice. I mean, you could brush your teeth, shine your hair, do whatever you need to do in that bad boy. And making our way to the other side. Again, wheel wells are in great condition. No chew. It's just a beautiful car. And that white, man, really nice. So if you're looking for something with some power, some modern drivability, and that awesome classic feel, this is definitely the vehicle for you.